check out PowerStop's Truck and Tow Brake Kit. Now this brake kit has been designed to provide trucks and 4x4 vehicles with increased braking performance under the most extreme conditions. So whether you have a lifted truck with larger wheels and tires, or you like to tow your boat or trailer on the weekend, this is the brake kit for you. The truth is, anytime you add weight to your vehicle, your brakes have to work harder, increasing wear, dust, and heat coming from your brake pads and rotors. Now this brake kit is going to come with Z36 carbon fiber ceramic formula brake pads, which is a ceramic reinforced with carbon fibers to strengthen the pad for heavy-duty stopping power, while also reducing the noise and dust you get with your factory brakes. Now the rotors have been cast using strict OE tolerances and also are going to be zinc plated for excellent rust resistance. Now the narrow slots are designed to remove dirt, dust, and debris, creating a consistent point of contact between pad and rotor. They also have drilled holes to help reduce rotor temperatures for optimal braking under all types of conditions. Now the front and rears can be sold separately, or you can get them as a whole kit. They also come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, whichever comes first, and we ship them for free anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.